Today I want to show you how to make a microscope with two very simple things. A laser light and a syringe. Well, then you'll need water. To show you how this works, I have decided to analyze two kinds of water. First, a distilled water, which shouldn't have much inside, and the other one is a pond water, taken from a small lake around here.
The setting is quite simple. We just need to place the laser behind the syringe. The tricky part is to get a single drop to stay out of the syringe, but just enough that stays attached to it. Then the trickier part is to point the laser light directly into the drop of water. Laser light is a pointy source of light. The drop acts as a magnifying glass, exactly like the one we have in the microscope. Once you hit the right spot, the light coming from the laser is projected on the wall and can reveal and magnify whatever is inside the drop of water. As expected, nothing interesting is going on in the drop coming from the distilled water. And that makes a lot of sense, because this water is produced to drink.
The pond water seems not to have anything inside, right? However, this microscope will reveal the truth.
It is amazing what can go on inside a single drop of water. The shadows that you can see are super tiny little microorganisms that live inside the water. Their shadows are produced by the light that is partially or totally absorbed or reflected by the microorganism body. A little like when the light coming from the sun casts your shadow on the wall. Some of them are bacteria or single-cell algae, and they do not have motion. They just float in the water following the movement of the drop. However, it's clear from the image how some other microorganisms are actually swimming inside the drop. This big shadow probably belongs to a water flea. In fact, it moves very fast and is way bigger than the other microorganisms around it. By moving the laser light, I can actually inspect the entire drop. In this case, I'm moving left and right, up and down to try to find other microorganisms, and it's astonishing the quantity of life that lives inside a single drop of water. Note how huge is the amount of microorganisms in such tiny space.